Hello from the Bureau with your national weather forecast for Thursday, the 20th of February, looking at conditions as we head into Friday. First, a look at the national synoptic map, and it is looking like a settled end to the working week across much of Australia, but there are a few watch points to keep an eye on. First, in the southeast of the country, we have a high pressure system building. That's leading to a warmer day across Tasmania, Victoria and South Australia, particularly given the run of cooler days that we have had across the southeast. That same high pressure system is building and is pushing southeasterly winds along the east coast. That means showers from much of eastern New South Wales and also eastern Queensland. In the southwest of the country, this trough is pushing through the southwest land division in Western Australia. That will mean a cooler day and showers and thunderstorms will start to contract away and towards eastern parts of the state. For Northern Australia, just a few isolated showers and thunderstorms, but there are two tropical lows that we're keeping an eye on. First, one over the Indian Ocean, northwest of Western Australia, and another over the Coral Sea off the coast of eastern Queensland. Both of these systems do have a high chance of becoming a tropical cyclone later this weekend, but neither system poses an immediate threat to Australia or its offshore territories. So now a state-by-state look, starting off with Queensland, and we will see southeasterly winds pushing up right along the coast. That will mean showers and cloud for eastern areas, but also some strong winds. So there is a strong wind warning current for areas between Noosa and up towards Cooktown. Mostly dry elsewhere with a few showers for the Gulf Coast and also down towards Mount Isa. Maximum temperatures will be close to average, 29 degrees in Brisbane with a possible shower, but warm out west, reaching back up into the low 40s for Birdsville. In New South Wales, we will see a few showers generally north of about Wollongong, and for Sydney, those showers will ease late in the afternoon and into the evening. There is a possibility of thunderstorms across the mid-north coast and also the northern rivers. With those cool winds coming onshore, temperatures will be slightly below average, 26 degrees in Sydney, but warmer inland, 27 and partly cloudy in Canberra, and reaching the mid to high 30s for western parts of New South Wales. In Victoria, it will be a cool start, but then temperatures will really climb from Thursday, reaching the mid to low to mid 30s, 31 in Melbourne, 36 in Mildura. We will see a few coastal sea breezes along the coast, but otherwise a much warmer day. And we will see high fire dangers along the south and also the northeast, with high temperatures and also those northerly winds coming down. For Tasmania, there is a chance of seeing patchy fog and frost through inland parts, a little bit of cloud about the southwest of the state in the morning. But once the sun comes up, temperatures will climb into the low to mid 20s, 22 and mostly sunny in Hobart, warmer in Launceston with a top of 25. Sunny conditions also for South Australia. We'll see temperatures climbing again for most centres, reaching 33 degrees in Adelaide, but across the north of the state, the high 30s and back up into the low 40s. We will see afternoon sea breezes along the coast, but otherwise we're not expecting rainfall across South Australia on Friday. In Western Australia, as that trough pushes through, temperatures will dive, particularly around Perth and the southwest, 26 degrees in Perth for Friday. And we'll see some thunderstorms developing across the goldfields and down towards the Eucla. There is a possibility of severe thunderstorms producing damaging winds and large hail, but mostly through isolated areas of the interior. Otherwise, warm and hot across the Pilbara. Finally, for Northern Australia, isolated showers and thunderstorms for the top end, but will be hot across the interior, reaching the high 30s for Alice Springs. And this tropical low off the coast of Western Australia will continue deepening and strengthening over the weekend, but it is expected to remain well offshore of Western Australia. That's your forecast for today. Keep up to date with the latest information and warnings on our website and app. Follow us on the social media, and as always, have a great day.